Hello there. So just giving you an update on Blight watch. These are my tomatoes. Now I've just found out that one of the plots over there has got blight, which has gone over to my plot neighbours there. So all the tomatoes have got blight. It's horrible weather, even though it's sunny now. So what I've done is I've been really brutal with my tomatoes. Cut off any growing stem now. All the leaves are gone, so I'm just left with the fruit. So whatever's left now, I just want to get ripe before the blight comes in. So I've sprayed it with carb soda and dispersible aspirin. So hopefully that will slow it down. I don't think it's going to stop it completely now. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated. But yeah, you can see they're starting to ripen, so hopefully I'll get them ripe before the blight sets in.